Hi everyone! In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sell ebooks on TikTok Shop. If you're still not familiar with TikTok Shop yet, basically TikTok created this marketplace several years ago where you can start selling product or even being an affiliate for a shop to promote their product and then gain commission from every sales made through the links of your video. But most of them sells physical product, which means that there are not much people who sells digital product on TikTok Shop, and I'm going to show you why. So if you already have your TikTok business account or TikTok Shop account created, you might be familiar to a dashboard that looks like this. I know that every country probably have different dashboard and different things going on the TikTok Shop Seller Center, but I believe when it comes to adding product, it works basically the same. So here on the left side of the screen, we'll be able to see a navigations menu in which you can use to take a look at your orders, your shippings, your promotions, your finance, etc. So if you take a look at a part right here, we can see product. And if I go to add new product, it's going to bring me into a page where I can add my media, my details, my titles, etc. for the product that I want to sell. So the first thing that they will want me to add is obviously the product image, so some basic informations right here, and then the product names, the category, the product details, etc. But they don't have the digital product options like Etsy's have, and I'm going to show you what I meant. So here on Etsy's, you'll be able to choose which type of items you will want to sell or you will want to create a listings of. You can choose whether you want to add physical items or digital files, which will make things super easier when you're trying to sell your digital files on Etsy's. However, if you're trying to add a product into your TikTok shop, they don't have that options, which means that they only support physical products for now. But it does not stop people to get creative and promoting their product, even though it's a digital product, especially ebook on TikTok shop. If you go to TikTok and search for ebook, there is a bunch of video that shows you how you can actually sell your ebook on your TikTok shop. So I'm going to use an example. So for example, I want to go to this account right here who has ebook, and what this account does is that they added links into their TikTok account. And if you click on that link, it's going to bring you to a page where they could put on links for their ebooks or any other digital files that they will want to sell or promote. And you can create links like this with several apps. If you're going to use phone, there is this app called Milkshake that you can use, or one link that people usually knows the most are Linktree. So Linktree is a platform that allows you to add links into one page. So if you are not able to add your ebooks on TikTok shop, don't worry, you can always use any other platform such as Shopify and one more well-known platform, which is Amazon KDP. So Amazon KDP is a platform that allows you to upload your books, whether you want it to be sold in printed form or ebooks. I have uploaded some ebooks here, and this ebook will be shown on Amazon. So if I would like to sell it through TikTok shop, all I have to do is open the link to my ebook and then copy this links right here into Linktree and put the Linktree links into my TikTok account. And we're just going to go through this real quick. So I'm going to go ahead and click sign up for free. So this is how the Linktree dashboard will looks like, and I'm going to create one link example. So let's say I want it to be ebook, and then edit this one and add my Amazon link right there. And then I'm going to go ahead and copy my Linktree URL and put it into my TikTok shop account. Alright, so here I've added my link, and if I would want to promote my ebooks to people, all I have to do is create a video and tells people that they can click the link on my bio in order to see the link to my ebook. And this is how my Linktree will look like. And then if people click on the ebook buttons, it's going to bring them into my ebook page on Amazon. And you can also play around with how your Linktree looks like. You can go to the appearance sections right here and then start playing around with the templates that they have to make things look even more interesting. So you can add your own picture if you want. You can add social icons. You can also add profile title as well as some bio if you want. Just make sure that you make this page as interesting and as personal as possible. And then if you would like to elevate things even more, if you would like to promote your ebooks through your TikTok video, you can actually do that by going to the shoppable video options right here. And then you can go ahead and click create video, upload to TikTok. I'm just going to add some sample video for now. And then here on the descriptions, you're going to want to add things like click link on my bio for the product, or some things like that. So basically you can still sell your product on TikTok shop, but you will still need other platforms to help you put your digital product to your TikTok shop. So some selections of marketplace that can help you are Amazon's KDP, Etsy's, and Shopify. Once you got your product listed there, you can copy on the product links and put it on your Linktree, and then put your Linktree on your bio on TikTok account. And then once people click on the link, they'll be able to see a page that looks like this, and they'll be able to buy your ebook through there. Now, if you are having a problem with adding links into your profile, it's because there are some things that you will need to pay attention to in order to be able to add links to your TikTok profile. First things first, if you are using your personal account, you will not be able to add a link to your profile. You might be able to add it in the form of text, like this text right here. So you're going to need to tell your audience or your customer to copy and paste that link into their search bar, or else they will not be able to be directed to a page like this because the link are not clickable. And if you want to have that clickable link like the one that I just shown before, you will need to join TikTok affiliate. In order to do that, there are some requirements that you will need to fulfill, like you will need a minimum amount of follower. Some country allows you to have at least 1,000 followers. Some country allows you to join affiliate with at least 5,000 followers. So you're going to need to check on the TikTok regulations on your country in order to join that affiliate program. And after you are accepted on the affiliate program, you can then continue and create your Linktree and put your clickable link on your profile. Or if you're still on your way on reaching the target audience, you can just paste your Linktree URL or any other platform that you use that are similar to Linktree URL into your profile, and let the audience know that they will need to copy and paste the URL or the links into their search box. And that's basically it. That is how you can sell ebook on TikTok shop. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.